I'm presenting number 12 from assignment number 9, and this one is where we were supposed to take a golden rectangle. So this is my golden rectangle down here in my original, and I'm going to attach a square that is 1.618, it rounded to 1.62, and attach it to one side and see if this gives us a golden rectangle. So the original width was just 1 for a triangle, and the original length was 1.618. So when we put that in a ratio, it's 1.618 to 1, and so if we check this second triangle, we're adding to the width 1.618, and the length stays the same. So our ratio becomes 1.618 plus 1 for the width, and the length remains 1.618. So the ratio becomes 2.618 to 1.618, which is, again, 1.618. So this entire rectangle now is also a golden rectangle. So if we increase that again by adding a square to it, or expand it again, this time we're going to add a square of 2.618 to 2.618, or 1.618 plus 1, like it says up here, to the other golden rectangle. And when we do that, the length of this total side becomes 4.236. And then this side is 2.618. So the ratio is 4.236 to 2.618, which again gives us 1.618. So if we take this new larger golden rectangle and add a square to it, we'll also have another golden rectangle, because the proportions will continue to remain the same. And if I could keep doing that infinitely, and I will always get a golden rectangle.